Today I'm going to do a test on one of our electrical systems. This system is designed to work with a PT-6 aircraft. For the test today, 24 volt battery of course, and I'm going to change it up here and use an ultra cap. Should be exciting. Of course we're going to use the 200 amp surge generator. Old reliable there. And let's get to it. So first up, on master 1 here, there's your battery voltage. So 25.1 volts on the battery. That's good. And how much do we have on our ultra cap? 47.5. And we're going to dump all that voltage into here. Really get her going. Alright, so let's begin. Let's start off with just getting it spinning before we dump the ultra cap on. Alright, so hit the start switch. Alright, now let's dump that ultra cap. Ooh, that really boosted it up, didn't it? All right. That's awesome. All right, let's generate some power. All right. Yeah, ultra cap's coming down. Generator. Alright, line contactor's closed. Sorry for shaking the camera there. Alright, so we're generating 27.8 volts into our battery and into our ultra cap. They're tied in parallel right now. Alright, let's throw a load on this guy. How about 100 amps? Okay, so we got 100 amps on the bus. So let's take our battery offline. That'll just be loading the ultra cap. Alright, that's pure ultra cap right now, loaded with 100 amps. Let's load it with 150 amps. Alright, 150 amps, purely on the ultra cap. Alright, let's bring the battery back online. Drop off a load, drop off a load, drop off a load. Alright. So, pretty neat. Turn off our load bank. Turn off our ultra cap. Turn off our generator. And turn off our battery. Alright. Now, let's do just a pure ultra cap start. Sorry for shaking the camera here. Alright, just a little note. The FAA does not like these, but who cares? Who cares what the FAA says? We're doing it anyway. Okay, so this is pure ultra cap. So it's charged up, 27.8 volts. All right, let's hit the start. Here we go. All right. You saw the voltage coming down real fast. It's because ultra caps, they just, boop, there's your voltage. Got to fix that somehow. All right, let's charge it back up, turn on our generator. Charge the ultra cap. I wish I had a shunt hooked up so I could tell how much current is going into that thing right now, but I don't have a shunt, so can't do anything about it. This has been fun. Alright, so the Ultra Champ's juiced back up, 27.8 volts. Let's turn the battery on. This will tie them in parallel. No change in voltage there, of course. Alright. Well, I think it's been a fun little test. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap this up and send it on its way to our customer. Have a good one.